In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Todoist. This 5-minute tutorial will guide you through the process of saving your Todoist projects as templates and utilizing them whenever needed. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to app.todoist.com/oath/login. Once you are on the page, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials. This includes your email address and your password. If you prefer a quicker login process, you can also use the Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple options, which makes accessing your account even more seamless. Now that you're logged into Todoist, we can begin the process of creating a template. Open the project that you wish to save as a template. Any project you've worked on or customized to fit specific needs can be turned into a template, allowing you to replicate your success easily in the future. Once you have your project open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 small dots. Click on them to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Save as Template. Next, you'll be prompted to give your template a name and description. Choose a name that clearly indicates the purpose of the template. For instance, if you've created a project for planning a marketing campaign, you might call your template Marketing Campaign Plan. Adding a brief description is helpful to remind yourself or others of the template's specific focus or any particular details worth noting. Once your template is saved, you can access it whenever you need by heading over to the Templates gallery. This is like a library where all your templates live. On the main page of Todoist, look at the bottom left portion of the screen. There you'll find an option to browse templates. Click on this and you'll be taken to the template gallery. Within the gallery you'll see a list of templates you've saved, including the new one we just created. Simply click on the template you wish to use. After opening it, you'll find a Copy to My Projects button. Hit this and voila. The template is now copied into your projects, ready to be customized for the task at hand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and use templates in Todoist. Using templates can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to reuse successful project setups over and over again. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this process just as useful as I do. If you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy planning and see you in the next video.